If Gmail is showing the temporary error numeric code 4, don't worry, because this usually means there's a short communication problem between your browser and Google's servers. In most cases, it's not a major account issue, and you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest steps to get Gmail working again, and I'll also show you the simple checks that help prevent the problem from coming back. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail in an incognito or private browsing window. On most browsers, you can do this by clicking the menu in the top right corner and selecting a private window. Once it opens, sign into your Gmail account and see whether the error still appears. This is one of the fastest ways to test whether the issue is being caused by a browser extension or stored browsing data. If Gmail works normally in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that something in your regular browser session is interfering with the page. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store temporary files and site data to help pages load faster, but sometimes that saved data becomes corrupted and causes strange errors like this one. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and choose the option to clear cached images, files, and cookies. After clearing them, close the browser completely and reopen Gmail again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem. If the issue is still there, the next thing to do is disable your extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and even some password managers can sometimes conflict with Gmail and trigger temporary numeric errors. Open your browser's extensions menu and turn off anything that modifies page behavior or blocks content. Refresh Gmail after disabling them and check if the error disappears. If it does, you can re-enable your extensions one by one to find the exact one causing the conflict. Another important step is to check your browser version. An outdated browser can create compatibility issues with modern web apps like Gmail, especially if security features or site scripts are no longer supported properly. Go to your browser settings, look for the update section, and install the latest version if one is available. After updating, restart the browser and open Gmail again. You should also make sure you're using a stable internet connection and that no temporary network problem is interrupting the connection to Google's servers. If you're on a school, office, or shared network, security filters or proxy settings can sometimes contribute to these errors as well. If none of the steps have worked yet, try signing out of Gmail completely, restarting your browser, and logging back in fresh. That can help reset the session and clear out any temporary authentication glitch. And remember, if Gmail works in incognito but not in your normal window, the most likely cause is either an extension or corrupted browser data, so focus on those first. To recap, the best fixes for Gmail numeric code 4 are using incognito mode, clearing cache and cookies, disabling extensions, and updating your browser. Those 4 steps solve the issue for most users without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Gmail error fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.